Top 5 CRM softwares, which one is better to use? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you a comparison between the top 5 CRM softwares that we have listed right here and that you can use, and what are some features about all of these platforms that you can use. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, the first platform that I have for you today is HubSpot.com. HubSpot is a really good CRM platform. It also allows you to do marketing, sales hub, service hub, and operations hub. You can just go on and add anything. You can go on to any of these hubs, and getting started is also very easy. You can simply log in with or sign up with Google account. You can just go on and continue with that, and you'll be able to get here. Here you will add your contacts, invite a team or anything, or you can just continue with the process of the whole CRM. Get started with the 4-minute lesson and attracting the right audience. You can take this listener, you'll be able to know better about what kind of audience do you want to attract and everything. So it basically helps you a lot. The other great thing about CRM from HubSpot is that it is completely free, and it has email integration and everything, and which is unlimited. So it is a very great platform when you're a beginner. As a beginner, if you want to do your CRM, to perform your CRM, and you don't know what to find, then HubSpot is really great for you, because it is present for free, and you can find a lot of features that are available on the free version, and you won't even find any kind of difference from other platforms when you're using this, because all of your needs as a beginner can be fulfilled from this specific platform. So you can just come on, you can sign up, and you can start using HubSpot. So the next platform that I have for you is Zoho CRM. Zoho is also a great platform that you can use for your CRM, and basically it is from the Zoho it is the Zoho empire. So Zoho has a lot of other campaigns and platforms as well. Like right now I am using Zoho CRM. It has Zoho books, and all other different platforms are also available. So the benefit of using Zoho is that when you are using Zoho CRM, you can also go on and use Zoho software, Zoho different platforms of Zoho, like Zoho books and everything. So you can integrate all of these apps into one, and everything will be on your one space. So you can do that with Zoho if you want to. It is also super fast work and steadfast growth. You can just go on and you can see their pricing plans, and you can just continue with Zoho, and after typing in your email, you need to access Zoho CRM.
Okay, so this is the dashboard of Zoho CRM, and right now I'm using a trial version of the enterprise plan they have. So this is, as you can see, this is my home, and this is manager's home. I can see that as well, and I can customize my homepage from this option. And here I have my leads, my contacts, my accounts, deals, calls, meetings, tasks, services, and projects. For example, let's take a look at the projects. Okay, so now you have 3 options: unified sales and project management. You have connect, track, and deliver. You can just get started, and you can continue with managing the whole projects of your customer relationship projects on this Zoho CRM. It is really great platform for you to continue and to basically organize everything, because you can see it is the dashboard and everything. It looks really professional, and big enterprises can use it, and you can just buy a trial version. You can just buy the plan that suits you. You can go on and see that, and then you will be able to use that as a really great platform for you to continue with your CRM needs. So as you can see right here, I have general, users, control, Zoho directory, channels, customization, automations, marketplace, and everything. So you can just click on here, you can just get started, create a project for yourself, and you are good to go. Then you can create a new portal, other users portal. Let's say I want to create a new portal, and I need to name the portal, let's say test, and just save, and then I'll be able to continue all my projects in this specific portal. This portal is not available to some other portal, so I can just go on and choose the portal that is valid and everything. Then you can continue, and you can use it for your CRM. Okay, so the next platform that I have for you is Streak.com. It is a really great platform if you use your Gmail. If you have your business Gmail for your small business or something, then this platform is great for you. And especially this is highlighted that this is very good for small businesses and for your personal use. As you can see right here, it comes in Chrome extension, and it is basically integrated with your email, and you can have your email tracking and as well as your CRM needs, and you can have all your things integrated into your Gmail, which is like really great. You don't have have to go to a different platform. You don't have to go on and basically make a whole project in something. Everything that your email comes when your email comes in, it is directly integrated with your CRM software, your streak, and then it is basically the project is added and you can just keep a look at everything right there. So everything is automated and it is so easy, and it is also free to use. So I guess this is a really great platform if you are running a small business. You can keep your pipeline moving. As simple as spreadsheet, adding, editing, and collaborating is a breeze. And here you have your pipeline on autopilot built into the tools you use. A hive mind of your team. You have your view tracking, you have your mail merge, you have send later, thread splitter, and snippets. You all have all of these options. Just what you need to do is you just have to click on this option which says add to Chrome, and you will be able to add this extension into your Chrome and it will be integrated with your Gmail. So it is like that easy. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go through any kind of hassle, and it is basically something that you just get something on plate. It is that easy. You don't have to get started with a new platform or anything, which is like a total different hassle when you continue with that, because you don't know what you want to do, you don't know how you're going to do it, so it gets kind of problematic. So here you can see this is the Chrome web store, and here is the Streak CRM for Gmail. You can just click on this add to Chrome and your extension will be downloaded, and then you'll be able to see it on your in your extensions. Whenever you will open your Chrome your Gmail, you will be able to get your CRM and all the update of the data that you have put there, and all the update of the projects, everything that is related to your CRM will be in your Gmail. So this is how you can do it. Here you can see this is my normal email, and this is the basic Streak right here which has been added, and here you can see I can manage everything, manage building in teams, integrations, updates, refer a friend, and you can explore the whole software by this option. So this is how easy it is to use. The next platform that I have for you is monday.com. Okay, so monday.com is a really great platform as well, but it doesn't have a free version. This is basically free forever. There is a version available which allows only up to 2 seats and for individuals to keep track of their work. So it is just for personal use. But if you have a business, but for business you cannot use monday.com because everything comes with a price. Like it is for $8 the first packages, and then $10, $16, and then enterprise version is which you can contact sales for a price. But the options and the features of monday.com are really great. Like if you have a business, then spending $8 per month is not that much of a difficult task, because the features that you get are really great. For example, when you go into login into monday.com, here you can see this is their whole dashboard. Now you can basically go on and you can see which of the workspace that you want to go to. This is the project that I have created earlier, and this is the workspace that I want to go to. For example, I want to go into my main workspace, and I have this board, which is recent board. I'm just going to open that, and here you can see everything will be so good, and everything is going to be the user interface of monday.com is like really great. You can see everything. This is basically the calendar view. This is the basically timeline. I can go to main table, I can add a new item, I can add a widget, and I can add different things. Like here I have notifications, inbox, I have my work, like and everything. You can also integrate different apps on monday.com like MailChimp, Zoom, and your Gmail and everything. And you also can automate different things. Like for example, if you want to create an automation, you can just go on to Automation Center. You can go on and create your automated emails. You can create your automated responses to different things. Like for example, if anything in your workflow gets stuck, then you get notified automatically, or you can basically create an automation when an item is created. Assign creator as a person. When status changes to something, notify someone. When date arrives, notify someone. So you have all these automations. You can just turn them on, and whenever the deadline is near to arrive, you can just turn this notification, turn this automation on, and that person, the specific person, that the related person to that specific deadline will be notified that okay, the deadline is near. Do you want to submit, or do you want to continue with the work or something? So you can just do all of this on monday.com, which is like really great. It is kind of a very professional CRM software, but also very easy to use, and also very the user interface is really easy. So this is a really great platform. The next platform that I have for you is Pipedrive. Okay, so Pipedrive is also a really good platform that you can use for CRM, but it is only available in some regions. Like for example, right here I cannot enter, and I cannot basically continue with the platform because I cannot enter in my phone number. It is not available in my region. So you have to enter a phone number in order to continue with Pipedrive, and here you can see it is only available in some regions, but it is not available in all regions. So you can just go on and check if it is available for you, then you can use it. And it is also a really great platform that you can use. so you can choose your region as well, and you can enter in your phone number, and after that you will be able to continue. And when you continue, you will get all the CRM CRM dashboard. You have your integrations, you also have your leads, your contacts, and everything. You will get everything right here on this sidebar, and then you'll be able to integrate everything really greatly. So it is somewhat similar to money.com, but they have a little bit of pricing difference. Pipedrive is a little less pricey, and money.com is a little tad bit more pricey than Pipedrive. So you can just go on and continue with any of these softwares that you want to use. So if you talk about in general, all of these 5 softwares that I have told you, everyone has its own pros and cons. So it depends upon you which one do you want to use, because it depends upon your need and your availability and your requirement that suits you. Because if you are willing to spend more money, then you can just go to something that is a little bit pricey. But if you are basically short on money, or you don't want to spend that much money, then you can choose something that comes in that is economical for you, and you can and you can also see in which things you can make compromises. If you want to make compromise in money, if you want to make compromise in features, you can just go on and continue with any software that suits you best. So I just gave you an overview of all of these so you can make a better choice. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.